Hi guys, my name is Trishna, and as you have already read the title, this video is all about reviewing these beautiful lip plumpers that Lotus has sent me out. So without doing a lot of talking, let's get on the video and see how well do they perform. So I'm very excited to try this out. This is their Proedit Lip Plumper. So basically it's a lip plumper plus gloss, and it's a very nice transparent white kind of color, as you can see right here. Also, it smells like really minty. It glides really softly and amazingly. I kind of feel a bit of sensation. So after keeping it for good 2 to 5 minutes, this is how the lips look like. They are a little bit bigger. They look quite natural. So this lip plumper actually works as a gloss and as a plumper. So that's the best part, and it can be used every single day because it's a transparent gloss. It can be topped off on your favorite lipstick. I also have one more shade, which is this one. This is called the Sun Kiss Beige, and this is how it looks like. So it can be topped off on your lipstick, or you can wear it just as your gloss, and it's a very beautiful shade, which is an everyday shade. So these are the two shades that can be used as a lip plumper and as a lip gloss. I like the way they give this natural finish. It doesn't plump your lips to like another level, and keeping it natural. What do you think about these plumpers? Do let me know in the comments below, and I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please do give a big fat thumbs up.